I'm using the chicken for barbecue. It was frozen, just bring it out from the freezer, then had to wait for it to a little bit melt. Washed it. So yeah, I'm waiting for put them here for it to dry and the water drain out of it before I start seasoning. So I'll show you how I season it. So this is a lot of chicken for barbecue. So I want to season them for hours before the time for the barbecue. I don't have a whole big bowl that will fit all of them, so I will just do them here in this chicken kitchen sink. So I will be using this is ginger, dried ginger, 1 spoon for each side. Okay, this is garlic. One spoon for each side also. This is thyme. One spoon too. I'm going with rosemary too. One spoon. And this is salt. One spoon too for each side. So I've already washed the sink, dried it before putting the chicken in. Yeah, well, nice. A little bit drop of oil. I'm using bouillon. You can use any chicken season of your choice. This really smells well. It smells really chicken. want to do this mixing inside a bowl. It will be a little bit difficult for me. So as I'm using the sink, that gives me access to reach the downside. The chickens, they are a lot. See, a lot. Just okay. Then come with barbecue sauce. You can use evil beef barbecue sauce on chicken if you like it, but you can still use chicken one if you like the taste. Depends on, for me, I don't prefer anyone to order. If you have a space in your fridge, it will be good you do it overnight. But if you don't have a space in your fridge, you can just do it and put it in freezer for like 2 hours. It won't be blocked, but it will just be to rest a little bit. But at least 6 hours will be better too. Okay. Just add a little bit on this side. Okay. Okay. I'll just add a little bit on this side. Okay. Yeah, you can see both of them are the same color right now. Okay, I will just start packing them up. Yeah, see, I'm done seasoning the chicken, mix them together. They are all the same now. Pack them inside the bowl. So this is the biggest bowl I have. So yeah, that's why I do clean up the kimchi sink so I can mix it properly. So at the end, I use two barbecue seasoning, and the other seasonings I already show you guys. The 2 cup finish. These ones, two of them. So this is how the chicken look like right now. So I will just cover it like this. Take it to freezer. Hey, I put it in a freezer like that because we're using it this afternoon. So cover. If I leave it in a countertop, it will spoil before 2, and it won't season properly without not relaxing in the fridge. So I'll leave it here like 6 hours.